Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gastronomic Delights by LBN. Today's recipe is apple crumble pots. I call it a restaurant style dessert because this dessert will definitely win hearts when you make it for your guests. This is a very easy dessert with very less ingredients that are readily available at home. Let's get started. The main ingredient of the recipes are 1 cup of oats. Then we need a cinnamon powder for flavoring. Apple and cinnamon goes very good hand in hand. A little bit of brown sugar and approximately 1.5 to 2 apples. I'll be using around 1.5 apple here. And we also need some peanut butter. So I'm using no added sugar peanut butter here. So you can use any peanut butter that is readily available. This is a very simple, quick and healthy recipe, and let us start with the recipe now. Take the apple and you have to peel and chop the apple, and you can see I have chopped the apple into small pieces. Make sure that you put the apple into water so that they don't turn yellow. So I've chopped the apple and now I'm going to put it into a bowl. Take a bowl and add the chopped apples into the bowl. Now I'm going to add brown sugar. This is a natural cane brown sugar that I'm using here, but you can definitely add jaggery, honey or any other natural form of sugar. And if you, so I like my desserts to be less sweet, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon, but if you want more, please add 2 more tablespoons of sugar if you like desserts to be more sweet. Now I have added around half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder and mix the ingredients well. Now take another bowl and you have to add the oats into that bowl. I have not grinded the oats. This is a natural breakfast oats that are available in the market. You can use any brand. And I have added peanut butter into the oats, around half a cup of peanut butter, and just use your hands to mix the peanut butter with the oats properly. It has to be a crumbly nature, and you can see if I'm using hands, and now it has been crumbled properly. Peanut butter is mixed properly with the oats. You can see the texture, it is very crumbly and it's like a sand. And here also, if you want more sweetness, please do feel free to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now take a baking bowl. So I'm taking a small bowl. This bowl will serve around 2 to 3 people, and grease the bowl with little oil, or you can grease it with butter as well. Grease the bowl properly with brush, and this is the bowl that will be used for baking, so please use a bake proof bowl. And now I'm going to add apple mixture at the bottom. So with this quantity you can make around 2 bowls of 2 pots, 2 apple crumble pots. Properly fill 3/4 of the bowl with the mixture, apple mixture, and now we'll top it with the oats mixture on the top. Properly cover the apple crumble with the oats mixture. We should not see the apples, and you can just properly cover it with the oats mixture. And now we're going to bake it. Put it in the oven, preheated oven, for around 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So now you can see this is the baked version. I've baked it, and you can see the oats crumble has been little brown on the crust and apple has been baked properly. We'll garnish it with the mint leaves. So just place this mint leaves in the center of the pot. It looks like a small plant that is being growing in the sand. So your apple crumble pots are totally ready. You can see how beautiful they look. They look like a small plant. You can definitely use any other bowl that looks like a flower pot instead of these glass bowls, and you can definitely enjoy these. Do make it and serve it to your guests as well, and I'm definitely sure that you're gonna like it. It's a beautiful, healthy recipe and a very quick recipe to be enjoyed, and it is really good. Do make and do try it, and they look so pretty. I just love them. I don't feel like eating them or digging it with a spoon in them. They look so beautiful. They are very nice. So I'll show it to you now. I'll just take a spoon and yeah, you can see the texture of oats is like sand, and apple has been cooked and baked, and it is little juicy. Do try and let me know if you like it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting recipes.